come back. Come on. Come to. Good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Well, we are in Oklahoma, guys. We got a busy day. We're here at Bitty Boo's right now with Gumby from Junk to Gym. He's picking up a motor and a couple other things today. If you want to see all of that, go over to that guy's channel.
You know that guy? You know this guy over here?
That guy over there. And then we're also going to be getting some scrap steel and some fencing and stuff like that over here. Then we're going over to MT Homestead. I bought something huge that you don't want to miss, that we got to get loaded up on the trailer. It's going to take some doing. It's huge. And I got to transport it all the way back to Come On Mountain. Today's going to be a long day. Been on the road since 4:30 this morning. Let's get after it. All right, guys, we made it to MT's. We've been here for a little while. Gary's working on some lights up in here. Apparently, yeah, hit a curve or something, and a lot of lights got ripped out. It wasn't me. We picked it up that way.
Yep. It'll happen. It's a dovetail. That's what happens.
Yeah, but we got to get some kind of lights, because when we put this big building on, guys, you ain't gonna be able to see the truck no more. Let me show you what we're here to pick up. But right there's the building we're picking up, guys. It's going to be the new hog shelter. It's gonna be a mighty fine hog shelter too, if you ask me. It is solid too, guys. Solid. Yep. It's got a nice little bone structure down here. Nice pipe all the way around. Looks like galvanized. Got some little what's happening. It's even wired up for electric, guys. We have to put a heater in there with the hogs.
Right?
I'll put a little solar panel on top and get them wired up. Look at there. Even a meat hook when it's that time. Come on.
Hopefully we won't lose no grass going down the road.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I think this is going to be a great shelter for the hogs. For sure. The good thing about it is, guys, it's on skids. If I decide to move the hogs later on, I can just literally drag it around the property.
Yeah, it's built on some good solid pipe here, so.
Yeah.
Funny part is it's going to be hanging out with the wheels on the inside.
Yeah. It's going to be like one of them old Cadillacs. You know, it's got the little wheel covers. The trailer's going to look like it's floating. Yep, but I came up here last week, didn't end up filming nothing whenever I came up here to get that livestock trailer that wasn't worth me dealing with. And Mike told me about this and said he had it on Marketplace for sale, and he's giving it to me what he paid for it, so it was a good deal. So yeah, I jumped all over it. And also it buys me a lot of time to where all I got to do is worry about the hog pen at this point and not the shelter. So bring in some straw in there and they're good to go. Big wide door too, I like that. and also a little door off to the side where I could put this. My plan is to take some hog panel and stuff and come off the sides right here and then make a pin. And then I got the side door right there where I can actually come in without having to open up gates or anything like that.
Yeah, that would be sweet.
Yeah. It's gonna work out nicely. Gonna work out nicely. All right, guys, his neighbor, the one that he got it from, is gonna come over here with a big tractor with a hay spear. We don't have forks. And drag it out there. I'm gonna go ahead and get the trailer turned around now. And yeah, this is gonna be interesting, guys. Beverly Hillbillies up in here. All right, we got the trailer turned around, got it moved. Big Mike joined us.
Hey,
What's going on, Big Mike? MT Homestead. Y'all go check those guys out right there.
big adventure.
Always an adventure, buddy.
Yeah.
Amen to that.
You know I can't end every video saying, come on, let's go on another adventure if I don't go on adventures. That'd make me a liar. I definitely go on some adventures. I ain't gonna lie though, I walked into old Mike's house. I didn't record last time I was here because I was relaxing too much. And sure enough, it sucked me in again. I sat on the couch, fell asleep. Only took about 5 minutes, and I was like, I woke up about 15 minutes later, not even knowing where I was at.
Well, you'd still been asleep if the phone didn't ring.
Yeah, the scrapper called me trying to sell me a deer stand. Thought he was giving it to me, and then he's like, yeah, I'll give you a good price on it. I said, well, I'll look at it when I get back. Well, it's a deer stand. Well, guys, the tractor guy will be here shortly, and it's about to get crazy, so stick around for that. We're about to do some Beverly Hillbilly stuff up in here. You can count on that. Mike was already talking about Tokyo drifting his tractor over there or something, just doing some kind of, you know, he stayed in Korea for a little while, so he's fond of that Tokyo drifting. All right, guys, tractor driver guy is here. We're gonna grab the chains. We're gonna go get the building hooked up. He's about to drag it. Now, I'm gonna turn into a mule. Yeah, mule. Yeah, yeah. Him, not him.
David got his tail dragging.
It's the only time I'm gonna have any tail. I got that no butt at all.
Look at there, get him a Tim tractor. All too pretty. Now for the fun part, folks.
Yeah. But we're gonna let him stab it and pick it up, and then we'll just hook it up underneath that pipe right there.
Should be able to drag her out of there pretty good.
Oh yeah. You know it's a big tractor when they show up with a truck first. Curious to see what's coming.
Well, Mike said he didn't want a trail made out here, so we're fixing to make him a trail.
Yeah.
All right, tractor is here, guys. It's not quite as Big Sexy, but she's still pretty big. Here we go.
All right, let's go get this chain hooked up.
Not quite as big as Bertha, but she's doing the job today, that's for sure.
Where you want to hook it at, Paul?
So the plan is just to drag it out first and get it out of here first, and then we'll go from there. Look at this, he even got a fancy little toolbox inside. So this is going on my trailer, so just imagine what this is going to be fun, seeing this go down the road. Well, look like the Clampets. Get her up there to the mountain and set it by the cement pond. You see now, if we had Big Sexy out here, we just pick her up and set her on the trailer. Oh yeah, look at this professional. Walking that thing around there like he knows what he's done it before a time or two. You gotta give him, you gotta give him some space to turn them forks.
Yeah, I am.
Mud coming along with that Oklahoma tree. I am officially flagman. So here's the thing, we're going to lift her up. He's going to lift up on the side there, and Dave is going to try and drive up underneath here and slide it up underneath the track. Let's see what happens. Back up. Okay, come on now.
Now he can go in the back and then shove it forward.
All right, well, we're making some progress.
Fun part is going to be getting it up over the tires.
When we get it up closer to here, maybe get your bucket up underneath here and lift the front up while he's pushing.
Yeah.
Up over the tires.
on your trailer? Oh,
Oh yeah, big full jack. Here's one of them, hold my beer and watch this.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Look down just a little bit.
We're all cockeyed.
All right, hold on. What we need to do is hook the chain to the back and have Mike pull that back part of it. Lock the chain down on the front so it doesn't pull forward. Look at that. This way he can get out from underneath it. Right now it's on the front.
Let me get on the inside, run the chain to that pole there and have Mike pull this back over a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, so right now it's on the wheel of the trailer there. So we're gonna have this back up and go. Once we slide it over so it's set back on the frame, so we'll be drop it back up and then drop it down.
Oh, the battery died. All right, guys, we got it up on the trailer somewhat level. Now we're fitting to come into the front here. Oh. Okay, guys. Push the forks up. Okay, guys. All right. Booming up. Watch yourself, Gumby. All right, forward. How do we look inside? Hey, if he tilts down and leans his forks up, we'll be all right. He can get out.
There you go. Come on back.
Put your hand up, bud.
Come on back. Come on back. Up a little bit. There you go. Drop it. Alright, so now look up.
One little piece. One little gimlet.
Forks down.
Let me move this fence so you get to the edge a little bit better.
What's the other side? 31? Basically put this side over to where that one was.
Yeah.
Well, it's loaded. Now we got to get this thing secure.
Right. I gotta go over here and talk to a man about it.
If you get home alive, yeah, I'm with you. I thought his trailer was a little wider than this.
I don't have a problem with that. I don't see anything underneath there that's gonna, I don't know of anything underneath there that's gonna hurt it. We definitely want to get one, keep it from flying back, because that air is gonna want to come up underneath there and try to pull it back.
I got more chains and some more of those come on.
Yeah, we're probably gonna use.
Is that in the garage?
Yeah.
Slide through.
Yeah. So we're gonna go up through here. Just pull it through what you get.
Wait, put it one and then I'll pull the slide out.
Come from down under.
Oh, we got half broken hands here.
All right, we're making some progress.
Yeah, one more across the front there. Put that ratchet strap.
Yeah. We got 3 chains right now, 1 in the back, 2 in the middle. We're gonna put 1 across the front right here. We're gonna take one of these bigger yellow ones and try to hook it up there somewhere and run it to the nose of the trailer right there just to be able to stop the updraft. And then plus we got the 2 on the side right here, and we're gonna also got 1 here, and we're gonna put another one at the other corner. if nothing else, if we do get stopped, they'll know we at least made an effort to strap this thing down the best that we could. Yeah, I know I'm gonna hear in the comments about all of this, but to be honest with you, thought the trailer was a little wider. You don't know until you get the shed on there.
Yeah.
Now we know. But at this point, there was so much effort to get it loaded, we have no choice but to send it. We're gonna put our flashers on, and we'll be back in Arkansas probably in March.
Yeah.
I'm thinking March.
March or April for sure.
Yeah, they should be out of jail around March.
All right, feed it through. All right, guys, we got this thing braced as good as we can get it braced. We got a chain here, chain here, chain there, chain there. We got X right here with these straps. Plus we got 2 straps right there and a strap here. Now all we gotta do is tie down the door and we're ready to send it. Okay, we're loaded. We're gonna send it.
Yeah, we are.
You ready?
Oh, man.
This ought to be fun. Hold my beer and watch this.
Well, I hope we make it. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it slow and steady. He'll see me when he sees me. Hopefully, it's not on
You got
visitation.
my chains and my come-alongs and my straps and my...
Yeah, I got more money in chains and straps than what I paid for this thing from Mike. So, all right, we're gonna send it. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah.
Love you, man.
Love you.
All right, brother.
brother.
See you soon, man.
Yep.
I'm gonna hand you off.
Yeah.
First challenge is right off.
All right, so what he's got to do, he's got to back her up, and we're going to try and bring it through this big hole right here, so we can make this turn. At least all the lights are working. Good.
You got the hog house on the side.
Bye, Mike.
All right.
Let's see how she does with the tilt here. This is where our biggest challenge is going to be, right here. Oh, look at that. She did beautiful. Did beautiful. That's what we wanted to see right there. That was a good, pretty good sized tilt. And we are good there. All right, guys. Here we go. We're going to hit the road. Have some fun.
Well, we rode all that we can ride on back roads. Just checked all the chains. All the chains are good, and these were some rough roads too, trying to avoid the highways, because it was trying to put us on a 4-lane interstate there for a minute. We wasn't trying to deal with the big semis.
Yeah.
So so far so good, but sun's starting to set and we're about to get on an actual highway out there. So let's see how this goes. Well, the sun has set. You nervous? I scared the pee-pee out of Gary. He's got pee. I mean, all of our rigging seems to be doing very well.
Yeah. Might want to check her first and then she tries that.
Those look good. Those look pretty good too.
Yeah,
I think we're good. We're about to get on that highway right there, so that's our first big busy challenge. We're gonna get some water and yeah, it's an adventure. Well, good morning. Made it back last night at about 11 o'clock at night. Brought the building over here to the new property because didn't want to try to fight it all the way up to the mountain late last night. So we're going to go ahead and get this hooked up. Gumby's going to follow me to the mountain with the backhoe, and we're going to take Uber and the backhoe and lift up on both sides and pull the trailer out from up underneath it, set it on the ground, and we'll drag it into place. We got a lot of snow coming tomorrow, so today's the only day to get this done. So let's get after it. All right, it's showtime. Gumby is on the scene.
Way up on Common Mountain, where the air is fresh and clear. David's working hard each day, but he always shows he cares. With Mountain Magazine in his view, stretching far and wide, he's got his faithful tractor Uber always by his side. Midnight's on the prowl, that cat's the boss, supervisor of the land. She never takes a loss. David on Common Mountain, with the mountain in his side. He's got kindness in his heart, hands that work all night. With his goats, his rabbits, and chickens so sweet. He's a man of the land, life's rhythm so complete. David on Common Mountain, with the view so grand. And now he's building that tiny house on the flatlands. He's the man with the plan. He clips the guard dog watching over the goats. And Domino's the newest friend, running in the notes. From the old truck to the new white Ford, David's rolling steady, keeping common flatlands in order. With his rabbits in the pen and the chickens in the yard, he's working every day, life's never too hard. David on Common Mountain, with the mountain in his side. He's got kindness in his heart, and hands that work all night. With his goats, his rabbits, and chickens so sweet. He's a man of the land, life's rhythm so complete. David on Common Mountain, with the mountain in his side. He's got kindness in his heart, and hands that work all night. With his goats, his rabbits, and chickens so sweet.
Curious to see how this creek is. But, you know, he was talking about earlier about how rough down the other road was coming from my house over here. And he hadn't even experienced rough yet with this trailer until we get down here. This is going to be the rough part. Crossing that creek with this trailer as low as it is to the ground is going to be one of them hold my bear and watch this moments. Which is, well, I don't know. I think the whole thing right here is hold my bear and watch this moments. we are just creeping. My GPS isn't even registering 1 mile an hour, so I only put the GPS on sometimes just in the tractor just to see how much speed I'm getting. I would say I'd try to smooth some of this road out over here today while I'm over here, but I just don't see that would do any good with everything else we got down here and all the extra water we got coming. So good thing we got a backhoe, because even though he got that big old sweet 4-wheel drive Ford, you just never know with this back in here of what it's going to be like, you know. Personally, I think it'll be absolute hilarity if we got to push him out of the creek. So right over here is where Mary and I seen that panther that day. He was walking right up over there in the woods, and we pulled up right in here when it was real green. And we pulled up in here, and he was hiding behind that pile of stuff right there, and we could see his just the top of his head sticking up, and his eyes and his tail whipping around there. So look at this, look at the water coming off of that. Oh, look at there. First they're gonna get a little bath. Look at all the stuff we drug up out of the creek there. Look at this, y'all. You can see that pile there we drug out of the creek there. Look at that. Love it when that thing's flowing like that, nice and hard. Got all that pretty green blue water. I just think it's so beautiful. You know, this is the kind of stuff that you think about Arkansas as being, and not the flooded mess that, you know, that we get over at our place sometimes. Look at that. So I was thinking about maybe one day, who knows. Well, one more gate passed through, we are good to go there. Now, the fun part. Alright, time for, I don't know, he's debating here, I think. Or shifting. I think he probably figured he had to be in 4 low to make this part. Ooh, that's pretty rough there. the creek. Alright, up the beach. This is the one David got stuck on where he spun the Jeep sideways. Then he get up this muddy hill. You know, Bertha will pull up there. Alright. Domino! Yay, Dad's home! While we're out here, we're probably going to pull a few stumps for him, and seems like we brought the beast all the way over here and help him get a couple little things out here and make some room. Alright, so we're going to stop right here for a minute.
Well, we made it to Come On Mountain. That was a journey.
That was a journey. That was a whole lot of hold my bears and watch this.
Yeah. Yeah, man, what a ride. Like, basically, I'd say on average 40-45 miles per hour all the way from Oklahoma. Now, before y'all roast me too much, we are legal guys. The height is good. We're good on the sides.
Yep.
Wasn't ideal to do it at night, but in all reality, it kind of was, because it was Sunday, not a lot of traffic, and the best time to actually do it.
And we were able to go down the road. People were able to pass us without a problem.
I passed like 9 cops, so I wasn't doing nothing illegal.
Yeah, but, they were going to get us hard. They would have got us.
They definitely would have got us. I actually moved off the road one time and let 5 cars pass, and one of them was a cop. So, but it's here. It rode a lot better than I was expecting it to, for sure. But I know it's been a ton of footage, guys, so we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But we're about to unload it, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we got a lot going on here at Come On Mountain. And the next video is going to be moving this beast to its new home. I done changed the pig location. Make sure that you go check out Junk to Gems too. He's got a whole lot going on over there. And he does a whole lot with that beast right there.
Not to mention, you'll get to see some upgrades coming over there real soon too.
Up 'em a grades, and hopefully it'll dry out here soon and we can really get busy.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I love every single one of y'all, and until we see each other again, come on, let's go on another adventure.